what time it is. It's science time. Yay! Let's go. The materials needed include oil, Alka-Seltzer, a glass, and some food coloring. In your glass, you're going to need to fill it with a little bit of water, less than half. Next, you're going to put in a few drops of food coloring and a few drops yellow and red. Next, you're going to fill the rest of your glass with oil. Now is the fun part. Take your Alka-Seltzer tablet and just drop it in the cup. You see, it's like a lava lamp. This is so cool. Let me know what colors you decide to use for your lava lamp. Have a wonderful day. Bye.